How to post 60 seconds story on Instagram app. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to post the 60 seconds longer stories easily and fast. So first thing you want to do guys is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. As you can see, now on the apps page right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Instagram. After that, click on it like this. Now all what you wanna do next is go to this uh, permissions option and then enable all the permissions. Go back, click on data usage and do the same thing. Everything should be enabled. Now you have to go to the Play Store and update your Instagram easily and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.